A haunted typewriter that writes the past into existence? Watch how this skeptical reporter's life changed forever when she touched a piece of San Francisco's darkest history. Sarah Chen never believed in the paranormal until the vintage Underwood appeared on her desk that sweltering summer morning. The moment her fingers brushed the ancient keys, violent visions flooded her mind. Smoke, screams, and the devastating 1906th earthquake. Each time she sat at the typewriter, her hands moved on their own, producing detailed accounts of the disaster through the eyes of Chronicle reporter William Hayes. The mysterious articles began appearing in century-old newspaper archives, revealing previously unknown stories of trapped survivors and hidden spirits that historians later confirmed through documents and testimonials. Most chilling of all, the final article described Hayes' own death in the quake, typed exactly 117 years to the minute after it happened. Could other antiques hold similar supernatural secrets? Drop a if you've ever experienced an object's hidden past.